Hello folks, and today we'll be doing a unboxing of a new electric pressure washer that I just recently got to replace an old pressure washer that the company doesn't make anymore. So I decided to get a new pressure washer with a new tip on it, and the company is called Realm, and it's an electric pressure washer, and there's the model number on it. And today we'll be doing an unboxing of this and going over the features that it comes with this unboxing. So further than that, little background on this one is that this one you have to order this from Home Depot, and Home Depot only offers this, and you have to order this online in order to purchase this. So other than that, let's begin the unboxing. Okay, so after unboxing the first part of it, which is a very great job by Realm, because whenever you're delivering things, you need to have to double box it, which is really good of them, that help that they want their products to be safe and reliable on it during transport. So thumbs up on Realm for the delivery. And whenever they're doing the packaging, that's really important whenever they're giving out their product on it. So it's an electric pressure washer, obviously. 21 psi electric pressure washer, which is a energy saving auto start function on it. Fast and easy. High quality motor, and we're going to be running a lot of tests on this one to prove if it's the high quality motor is working as appropriately. This has the 21 psi max and the 1.75 GPM on it, and they have the website where you can purchase their products from. Now, the features right here. Says that it cleans faster and uses less water than a standard garden hose, so that means it's a water saving, which is really convenient. Convenient storages from other accessories, integrated battery, integrated cable storage. So like on this side, there's going to be where you're going to be wrapping your plugs and your cable lines onto it. It'll tackle all the dirts, like if you're washing a car, if you're going off-roading, and so on and so forth. It's really needed for it. And this comes with the nozzles, the 0, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and the 840. Each one has its own individual task of it. This one tough, the 0 degree is the toughest, the heavy is the 15 degree is the heavy duty cleaning or the stripping. The other one, 25 degree, is the general task. 40 degree is for easily damaged surfaces, and the 84 degree is the combined water and cleaning agents, or the soaps involved. So if you use this little tank, this is used for the soap, that's really essential for it. Optional accessories: fixed brush, angle nozzle, turbo nozzle, patio cleaner, extension pressure nozzle, pressure hose, inlet hose, and other accessories you can come with it. So let us begin the unboxing of this one. So this is the storage for this one, for the thing. It comes with a little plug, so whenever you wrap it around, at least the plugs will be kept safe in here. It looks like it's a normal plug, but it's not really a normal plug. It's just that it's used to store in case it's for damage or anything of that sort. This one is where you keep all your nozzles and hold your handles and all that for it. So that's what comes out first on the boxing. Excuse the sound, there's a dog on the loose. This is the manual for it. And this is a little barbed wire. This is actually really interesting, because this one, you're gonna have to be very careful with this one, because this one actually used to do the cleaning, cut off the electric, stay away, clean it using this little pry tool on it. So that's actually really cool. I really like this one. So it actually got a pry tool that comes with it. So manual pry tool clean out all the stuff that is really needed for it. So it's the first part. This is actually the main reason why I wanted to get this, because of the nozzle. Because if you're cleaning your car, detailing, you want a foam cannon and so on and so forth. My other one didn't have a foam cannon, but the nozzle itself is like not the right nozzle, so you don't want that. So I wanted something like this. This is where I'm really interested. This one is actually if you look in the box on the side right here, this is the 0 degree one. So this gives out a jet stream for it. So this will take out all the tough dirt and so on. So you could actually take it out like so. See, it has little ball bearings right located in the thing, so that way it could easily lock into place. So that's how you take it out. But a little thing is this little kind of dirty thing. I kind of wish that it's a little polished on it, but I think someone was testing this and I think it'll be okay for now. But we can handle this. But Realm, yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it is supposed to be polished, but I could live with this right now. Alright, this is the gun for it. This is the water gun. This is how you set it up. So you just go right here. And rotate right here. You can turn it either way, but I'd rather hold one side and then have this. Or you turn the other way, doesn't matter. Alright, and just like that. It's kind of like a high pressure cannon, and then this is where you put the nozzle in and lock it into place. And this is the release if you want to take the hose out, the pressure washer hose out. So you press here to take it out, and this one is to release, and all the pressure will be released for it from the hose. So yep. Alright, here we go. 3, 2. Here it is. I dropped it. So, cord itself. And let's zoom on out. And adjust itself like so. This is the Realm. This is where I think this is where the water. We're gonna learn some of the stuff. This controls the valves and the pressure up here. We're gonna have to read this to learn about this. And let's take out the plastic. Alright, this is the cord itself, and let's go ahead and put this one on. So we're going to slide this up like so. So that's actually really easy, you just slide it up. And then the next one, right here, located on this side, we're gonna go straight down. And it has to snap right in. So that's the easiest task right there. Back model number. This is the soap canister or the cleaning agent canister. Right here is where the hose will go to. This front right here. This is where your main hose, your garden hose, is going to be connected to, right here. So this is where you connect your garden hose, so that way it's easy access. So you're going to have to be very careful when you screw the thing in. So you'll have right here is where you connect your regular pressure washer hose. This is where it's going to go, have the hose line connected to the bottom of this thing. one more, it's one last thing, maybe last, but there's more. This is the pressure hose. This is the connector. So this is where we're gonna be connecting this. When we zoom in, we can connect this like so by pressing this down and inserting it like so. And we're gonna take this little tape off, this little plastic off. There, and like that. So this one will go to the other connection of the nozzle. So let's get the other nozzle. So this is the other nozzle. Take this, press like so, take this nozzle, take like this, insert, and it should snap in like so. So let's try this again. You take it out like that by pressing the handle right here on the bottom, then take this, and it should snap in like so. So it should be that easy to connect it. So straightforward, easy. Okay, if you guys are wondering, it comes with this kind of part. What is this used for? And you're understanding why. This is an exploit tool. So what is this used for? Alright, I'm gonna show you. This little tool right here goes right here. So whenever you're trying to unhook the hose for it, use this tool and it'll be easy to turn the thing. So that way you don't have an issue with it. So this is actually really useful, and I'm actually really proud that Realm got this kind of tool. This is actually really needed. So thumbs up, nice impressions on it. Now, this one are the different types of nozzles on it. So we're gonna be, like I said in the guide, we're gonna go over this one. This is the 15-degree one, and they actually label it to let you know. This one's the 40-degree. And they have it labeled in there if you can't see it, but it's in this kind of marker right there. This one is the 84-degree because of the color, and they give the color coordination, and they say it on the back of the thing that located right here, so you could have a reference to it. So keep this box for reference for it. So keep that box. This is the reference. I would suggest you keep that box. This is the 25-degree one, and it's colored green. So, and it's a nice thing to do to store this. That failed. And if you want to change the nozzle, so if you want to change the nozzle on this thing, take our hose, pull it down like so, and you could just press it in. Pull this down to loosen the ball bearings, and like so. And if you want to change it, take it up. Be sure to pull this down, and like that. If you want to store this little handle can be stored right as so, and just as easy. So that way it'll have easy storage for it. This one is for the little handle for this one. So if you want to unscrew this, turn it, counter, and we just put it like so, snap it, and then we put the next one in just like that. So easy storage, not bad. Now, so this cable line, I put this wrong. It came out upside down. It's supposed to be like this. Because, you know why? Because I put it upside down because I put the wrong one. This is the top, so it should be always like this. Rush to judgment. And we're gonna take this little plug and push it in. And just like that, see how easy it was? This is actually really cool and really nice, so that you actually store everything. And if you're not using the pressure, just like that. So overall, this is a very nice product. I'm really excited to use this. We'll be doing some tests on it. By the way, now we're going to be using this. If you are subscribed to my other channel, which is the Nizzle Auto channel, we will be doing some test runs on it. I do some detailing videos and all that, so we're going to be testing it out really soon, and we're just doing an unboxing video for this one. So other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.